Hello, my name is Matshediso Ratshipa. I'm 21 years old. I'm 1.76 meters. And basically, I love fashion. I love runway. I like to do runway. I've done a couple of runway shows around Botswana. I've done Color in the Desert. I've done Botswana Fashion Week. I have a certificate in modeling from Figures Models Botswana by Adele. My favorite international model at the moment is Tara Banks. She's my girl. You know, even though she's retired, but she still got it. I love her advice. I love what she's all about. She's all about fears. She's all about talking about beauty within and without. Like basically beauty. You don't have to be the model type to be a model. Everybody's beautiful in their own way. So basically, that's it. Thank you.